Simulatan ang ating ball game. Jumper connection on 0, RJ Gators. Almost a minute gone by dito sa ating championship game na ito. Score naman ang Montero Hoops. The tie it all up 1-all. Shot clock going down. 3 seconds. They go for the 2. Can't get the 2. And ball going out. If for those that stay, we stay on all the way not it's awarding, making it a totally unforgettable experience for all of you here. They've been able to witness ating Vivo 3x3 Basketball Challenge here in the championship. 8 minutes and 22 to play. And referees in this situation, watch out for the line. Montero Hoops. He had to get to go down 2-all. Mid-range jumper, nasa loob na, lumabas pa. Fly-by move, 8 minutes to play. Score time at 2-all, not anymore. Limang bulit, RJ Gators. Attacking naman, Montero Hoops, can't get it done. RJ Gators have a 1-point lead. Going inside, now they get a 2-point lead for RJ Gators. 7 minutes and 40. Shot clock going down, 3 seconds. Nagawa ng paraan, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Pasok yung dos. RJ Gators. A 1-point na ito, nakapat sa line. Shot clock at 5 seconds. Alley-oop play. RJ Gators making it 6-3. 7 minutes in the game. They need a quick play. It's down to 3. It's down to 1. Nako, shot clock violation. 2-pointer short. Good save, but going to the wrong guy. Fly by. Here's the 2. Offensive rebound. Montero Hoops. Attacking and scoops it up and out. 6 minutes 15. Awesome. 7-4. 6 minutes remaining in the game. Shot clock 3 seconds. Oh, results in a foul. 5:04 to play. Oh, that went from 2-pointer. Takla tayo bigla. 7-all. Shot clock 2 seconds. 19 on, D9 shoot. It's 42. Air ball. Basket is good. Oh, how about that? Lamang RJ. That was a 2-pointer. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Montero Hoops, the shot block, the kick out, the 2, can't knock it down. 4 minutes. Corner, driving the baseline.
9 all.
Using the backboard, 9 all. 3 minutes and 45. Traveling 3 minutes and 34. Outside shot. Not going in. Tabla tayo 9-0. 3 minutes and 20 to play. Grab the upper end and they make this. Yes, they're on top. Approaching the 3-minute mark. Jumper doesn't go. Three minutes remaining. Shot clock down to 3. Shot clock violation. The drive. This one shot can tie the ball game. Yes, that's exactly what happened. 10-all. 2.5 remaining. One shot. Naman ulit. Sakali. Di pumasok. Pabla tayo. 10-all. 2 and 20. And back to the lead, Aaron J. Gators. Montana hoops. That's a slide back 12 all. The drive, the basket, Aaron J. And delay a game.
2 minutes and 11.
2 minutes and 11. Now they get a move. Down by 1. Shot clock at 3. They get a pumasok. Lamak ulit. Montero hoops. Pinapol yung dos. Rebound, Montero hoops. 1 minute and 46. Shot clock down to 3. Down to 2. Off balance shot. Air ball. Aaron J. The fake. The drive. The drop. Ayel! 1 minute and 30 seconds. Atake, pick and roll is good. 14 all. 1 to play.
1 minute and 21.
First one, Ayel. Sapa.
Penalty sapa.
Sablay pareho. 14 all pa rin. 2-pointer. Wala. Shot clock 5. 1 minute 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Nakagaw. RJ. 1 minute remaining. Shot clock 5. Palibag yung tira. Kabos. 0.1 seconds.
53
Score
seconds.
tied at 14. Here we go. Montana hoops. Shot clock down to 5. It's down to 3. Feed hit. Getting a basket. Lamang Montana hoops. May ano pa. 32 seconds to play. 15.12 seconds. Para rito sa Aaron J. Gators. They're down by 1. 23 seconds. 20 seconds remaining in the game. Shot clock at 4. Shot clock down to 5. 8 seconds remaining.
8 seconds remaining. May pa penalty.
Bola ng Aaron J. 5 seconds. Pero may foul. Wow. Pa-shoot lang. A technical for delay of game. Oh my goodness.
Nice!
Yeah.
16 all.
Alright, we are
Overtime.
not yet done.
Overtime, first to make 2 points.
First to score 2 points. Fly by move. That was challenge. Air ball. Nayangat. Keep on pumasok. For the two for the win.